Hey Don, how you doing? I spoke with Maria yesterday, and so I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to check this video out and give me a chance to show what I do today. So, really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat Boutique Tree, as you see there, sitting right here at the top of Google when you type in Atlanta Tree Service right here. They're sitting right here on this map pack, and they're sitting right here in this organic listing on this first page. So I know you're most likely sitting there asking yourself, why am I making this video? Well, it's super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners don't really have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads in business because they're so busy actually running their business. And the only thing stopping them from going out and finding somebody who knows how to do this information is they don't know who is and who is not an expert. So I found out if I make these quick attack plans and just give them away for free, some owners go out and just do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here today is to just educate you and just give you some good information. So I want to talk to you today about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. So right here, we're on your site right here. You'll come over here to your home page. Google typically likes to see 2,000 words of content on the front page because in their eyes, it's going to allow the customer to stay on Google longer and stay on your front page longer. So all this is content right here. You guys have really, really good content. Whoever built your website is obviously a professional. It looks very good. I think you guys have around 600, 700 words on here. So just getting this up to 2,000 words could help you really be optimized more in Google's eyes. If you hop over here to Boutique Tree's website, you see they barely have anything on here. They probably have less than 100 words of content. So they're not really being optimized for that either. And I'll show you why they're being ranked ahead of you in a second. So on top of getting that 2,000 words of content, you want to have keywords within this content. So when people are here on Google, Atlanta Tree Service, this would be a keyword people are searching for. So as you see, this gets 720 clicks a month. So just adding keywords that you guys want to rank for, high volume ones in the area, getting that on your page so that when people are typing in these keywords, Google will revert that back to yours. So my second tip I want to talk to you about is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you and driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies and other contractors rather than using like Pizza Hut or um, whatever site is out there that has nothing to do with trees, because Google understands that you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use Ahrefs for this. I pay for this, but there's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there you can go find. So if you see you have 38 websites that's sending your link out backlinks 377 times. As we come over here to Boutique Tree, we see they have 143 websites sending in 557 backlinks to their website. So it's really easy to beat them in this category. Literally all you need to do is just copy them. So you can come in here. If these links was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So you literally just come in here, you see what websites they have on here, and you just come on here, you create an account, and then you maybe make like a little blog comment, and then you just post your website link back in here, and then so you want to go through all of these right here that they have, go out and get them for yourself. So with those two tips, with the content and the backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here on this organic listing. Everything under this map pack is all organic listings. So if you want to be ranked number one right here on this map pack right here, this has everything to do with citations. So you want to have more citations than all these guys right here. And a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to find this. As you see, these guys here, they have 71 citations. You guys are up there pretty good too. You have 55. But same thing as backlinks. You can literally just come in here and you want to take their citations. You want to just copy paste whatever they have going for them and going out and getting it for you. And if they have 71 citations, I would recommend going out and getting 200 because you really want to blow these guys out the water. So that's pretty much it for you right here. With these three tips, you guys will definitely be at the top of all facets of Google in this map pack area and this organic listing. So I went over getting getting content, 2,000 words of content with those keywords on your front page, going out taking these top guys backlinks, and then as well as going out and getting those citations. So thank you, Don. I try to be as quick and fast as possible. So I appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Devin, and my cell phone number is 775 402 2885. Thank you, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you.